It's a beautiful day here on the ranch, but sometimes Mother Nature has different plans. We know as well as you, it's important to prepare your animals before the floodwater rises, fences blow down, or substantial snow falls. What are some tips for livestock owners to better protect and prepare their animals?
Sure. Well, whether you just have one animal or you have a handful, it's important that you make a plan that works well for both you and your livestock. So with that, the first thing that you want to do is you want to determine what your hazards are in your area. It's important that you maintain an inventory of your animals always. You certainly want to have an emergency go kit that's already put together and ready to pick up and go.
So in general, what type of items would you put in a go kit?
That's a good question. You're definitely going to want to take along things such as feed and water, always, maybe any medications that the animals are on.
So if livestock can't be evacuated, what should owners do?
What you're going to want to do is always remember, do not leave your animals in a situation where they're confined. If you did get the chance to evacuate with your animals, when you're coming back home, you want to wait till the local authorities say that it's safe to, first of all.
Do you have any last-minute advice for livestock owners watching?
Have a plan. Have a plan. Any plan is better than no plan at all. And actually a really good solid plan can get you through pretty much any kind of disaster.